This video will completely revolutionize the way you use Microsoft Copilot. If you have Copilot license, I'm sure you have already used chat and also used it within Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and so on. But that's just using Copilot as an assistant. But that's just the beginning. There is much more to Copilot than being an assistant. If you have seen my videos or attended my sessions, I am sure you have seen this slide. In this video, I'll show you how to achieve this so that Copilot plays multiple roles and gives you much more value. GenAI tools like ChatGPT have something called custom instructions, where I can specify how I want ChatGPT to behave. And whenever you put a prompt, all these instructions will be pre-applied. In Microsoft 365, there is no such feature. But remember, even if there is such a feature in ChatGPT, at a point of time, it can be only one custom instructions. What I am looking for is multiple instructions. So every time, depending on what I am doing, I want to change the role of Copilot. So let's see how this is done. We are going to take two examples. In the first example, I want it to work like an analyst. I'm going to start with a blank new chat and just copy paste some simple data. Not putting a prompt, just press enter. It will give me some results, some analysis. So keep that in mind. This is Copilot behaving like an assistant. Now I want to change its role. So new chat, and before I put the data, I'm just going to specify exactly what I want Copilot to behave like. So what is an analyst supposed to do? What is the kind of analysis it should do? What is the output it should give? And so on. So I put all that. I have not put the data. I'm just going to press enter. It will give me some results, but those results are not important. We're going to ignore them. Now comes the most important part. I want to reuse this prompt. So I'm going to go to the prompt, hover on it, and use the bookmark button to save it. It'll ask me for a title. Now I have saved it. Next time, whenever I need Copilot to switch hats and become an analyst, I'm going to go to new chat, not type anything, view prompts, my prompts, select this analyst role prompt. The prompt will be added, but it will not execute yet. It is still in the text box. So below that, I'm going to put the data. Same data, by the way. And now I am running the prompt. And look at the difference. Copilot understood the context and it has done a much more comprehensive job, giving me detailed output. It even created graphics and charts and giving me actionable insights. So that's how you switch role for Copilot. Now let's take another example, career coach. New chat. As a baseline, I'm just going to ask that chat, what should I learn? There's an answer given by Copilot based on the default role of an assistant. Now I'm going to start a new chat, give custom instructions to switch the role as career coach. Run the prompt, ignore the results, save the prompt. And now new chat again, put the prompt. And now I'm going to ask the same question, what should I learn? This time, it is in a more authoritative tone. It's much more detailed. It has understood my context, available data in a much more comprehensive manner, and it's giving me some things which are really useful to me. In fact, this is not just a demo. 2 or 3 items of these I had myself not thought of, and I'm going to act on them. So here is the summary of steps to create a role and reuse it. So now, I hope you are able to envisage different roles, same Copilot. By the way, this list which I have created is just indicative. You have to create your own list based on your domain, your industry, your ambitions, and your context. So now the ball is in your court. If you found this useful, do share it with as many people as you can. So that's it for now. See you soon. Take care.